Hello children, welcome to chemistry class. In previous lecture, we discussed the preparation of colloids. In that, we discussed three methods. First method by chemical methods, second braiding arc method, and third is peptidation. So whatever colloid we have prepared, that has some impurities. Means if we say in colloid some impurities are present, so for removing that, we have to purify the colloid. So our next topic is purification of colloids. If you have not seen that, please go on my channel Chemistry with Santosh sir. You watch the preparation of colloids. So here purification of colloids. You know that in colloids what we have prepared have some impurities. Means in colloid solution contain electrolyte and other impurities. Here. So in colloid, a small amount of electrolyte is necessary to stabilize the colloid. But if it is in excess amount, if it is in large quantity, so it coagulates the colloid. And decrease the quality of colloid also. And other impurities like that, other molecules and ions may be present in that. To avoid these things, to make colloid pure, we purify that. So different methods are being used for purification, and here few methods we are going to discuss. So one by one we will discuss the purification methods of colloid. Here colloidal solution contain electrolyte and other impurities. A small amount of electrolyte is needed for stabilizing the colloid, but if it is in excess amount, it coagulates the colloidal solution, and that is the bad quality of colloid. And other impurities, ions and other impurities are also present. Ions molecules are also present. So we have to remove this, means excess of electrolyte and other impurities. For this we have to purify the colloids. So we use various methods for purification of colloid. First is dialysis. Second is electrodialysis. And third method is ultrafiltration. That is ultrafiltration. Third method is ultrafiltration. So these three methods are used to purify the colloid. First dialysis, second electrodialysis, and third is ultrafiltration. In this, what is dialysis? Dialysis and electrodialysis are similar, but dialysis is done simply Electrodialysis is done by use of electricity. So one by one we will discuss. So we are going to discuss here. First is dialysis. So here we are going to purify colloidal solution by dialysis. Let us discuss apparatus is used. Here we have taken the colloidal solution in a semi-permeable membrane, or we can say in a bag or in a bottle. We can say we have taken colloidal solution in a semi-permeable membrane bag. In that, colloidal particles and crystalloid may impurities, colloidal particle and impurities are present. Semi-permeable membrane has a special property that it allows the passing of crystalloid from the colloid and doesn't allow to pass colloid. Means semi-permeable membrane doesn't allow the passing of colloidal particles. It allows only passing of crystalloid. It means impurities. And in this apparatus, what we are saying, water is entering from this side and going from that. We can say running water. What we can say is running water. So what is happening here when we suspend the colloidal solution in a semi-permeable membrane. Through this water, the impurities means colloid crystalloid particles come with this water and they goes out. So by this process, we remove the crystalloid impurities. What we have seen here means in running water, the impurities passes through the semi-permeable membrane and goes with the water. So here this side water entering and that side water is running like this. Water is running like this. Running water we can say, and impurities from this, from the colloid comes in water and goes with water. So here what we have said, water plus crystalloid and here water. Means this water is entering, so it doesn't have any impurities. But when it goes that side, with this water, crystalloid is also passed. So what we have discussed, just we discussed that the this semi-permeable membrane of this bottle or bag allows only the passing of the crystalloid particle, not to colloid particles. So the crystalloid particles with running water, they goes out from the colloid and we get the pure colloid. So what we can say, if we can define it like this. So we can define it. It is a process of removing it is a process of removing dissolved substances it is a process of removing dissolved substances from a colloidal solution by means of diffusion through semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane. Here, instead of this, we can use other, means cellophane can be used. Okay, so using of this one is main purpose of using this semi-permeable membrane. It has or cellulose, animal cellulose can be used as semi-permeable membrane. So it has a special ability that it allows the smaller particles but doesn't allow the passing of the collided particles. So impurities from this goes with water and collided particles remain here. So this is the L dialysis. So our kidneys also dialysing the means it based means if we take FeOH both rise and HCl. So our kidney also work as dialysis machine, act as dialysis machine that purify our blood is also collide. So kidney purified the blood. Kidney purified the blood. Here, what is the process? In this process, we see that the bag of suitable membrane, a bag of suitable membrane is membrane, bag of suitable membrane containing the colloidal solution suspended in running water, suspended in running water, means a bag of suitable membrane containing the colloidal solution suspended in a running water. So what happened? The molecules and ions, the molecules and ions diffuse through membrane, and colloidal solution left behind, and colloidal solution left behind. Colloidal solution left behind. Here, so what we have discussed here means that is the process of purifying the colloidal solution. Colloidal solution by means of diffusion through semi-permeable membrane. Here, semi-permeable membrane. This semi-permeable membrane, I told you, semi-permeable membrane has a special quality that allows only true ions or true particles, not to collide particles, to diffuse through this membrane. In this, a bag of suitable membrane containing the colloidal solution suspended in a running water. This water is running. The molecule and ion diffuse through membrane and colloidal solution left behind. Means they leave the colloidal solution in this, and molecules and ion diffuse through semi-membrane. So we use this process for purifying the colloid solution. Our kidney is also dialyze the blood, and it also act as dialyzer. Now these artificial kidneys are also available, so they purify the blood. Means if dialyzing is our kidney remove the impurities present in the blood by the process of dialyzing or dialysis. So here we have discussed. Next is our